Hello student, now in the class 7 mathematics tutorial we will see multiplication of fraction, and whatever the introductions I am giving that will be used in the coming exercise. So our topic is multiplication of fraction. So here the first part is multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So multiplication is nothing but product. Okay, multiplication is nothing but product. So multiplication of fraction, so fraction number you can take any. I am taking 3 upon 4 by a whole number. So here whole number I am taking 4. So multiplication of fraction by whole number. So one is a fraction and one is a whole number. So how you will solve that? I tell you one thing. So if you get the whole number, so downside there is a no number, it means it is nothing but 1. So how you will do their multiplication? You will simply multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Got that? And the reverse number, that is the numerator and denominator, you can divide that. You can do division. For example, 4 can be divided by 4, or here you can say 4 can be divided by downside number. And if you use numerator to numerator, multiplication will be there. Denominator to denominator, multiplication will be there. So here simple multiplication is there, 3 into 4 and downside 4 into 1. So here 4 you can cut because 4 is divisible by 4. So you can cut this two number, and finally your answer is 3 upon 1, and it is nothing but 3. So in this way you can solve. Next one is a multiplication of fraction by fraction. So whatever the topic is there, on that basis I am giving you one example, then at the time of exercise many examples will come. So multiplication of fraction by fraction. So fraction is 3 upon 4 and into fraction. Suppose I am taking 1 upon 2. How you will do their multiplication? 3 into 1 plus denominator multiplication 4 into 2. So here there is no common number is there, and 3 is not divisible by 4, 2 as well as 1 is not divisible by 4 and 2. So simply you do their multiplication, 3 upon 8. So this is the multiplication. And now we will go in the division part. Division of fraction. So first topic is division of whole number. So first you take whole number. I am taking 4. Whole number by a fraction. Here in place of now multiplication, division will be there. Why? Because we are taking division of fraction. So division of whole number. First you write whole number by a fraction. Fraction, suppose I am taking 3 upon 4. So in this example, downside no number means it is 1. So while solving this, what you can do, suppose here I am giving you example, if any number is there 2 divided by suppose 3, how you will write? We will write 2 upon 3. So here also same procedure is there. So in this example we are using 4 divided by 3 upon 4. So it can be written like 4 upon 3 divided by 4, like that. Okay. And here while solving this, most of the time in place of division we write multiplication and we reverse that number. Means we write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4. So as you learn in the previous classes, reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. Means we change the numerator and denominator. Here numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. That is known as the reciprocal. So whenever you change their sign, because multiplication quite easy than division in the fraction number. So if you change their sign, division into multiplication sign, so we do the reciprocal of the number. So finally you can easily solve that. 4 into 4 is 16 upon 3. So in this way you can solve that. Next one is division of fraction. Now first we have to use fraction. taking same number for your easy understanding by a whole number. Whole number is 4. So how you will solve that? You write 3 upon 4 as it is. In place of division, suppose we are using multiplication, so 4 will become reciprocal, that is 1 upon 4, because downside 4 means 1, so it will be reverse, 1 upon 4. Numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. Then you can solve that. 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 4 is 16. So in this way, whatever the next number will be there after division, that will be its reciprocal. Then division of fraction by fraction. So 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2. So how we will solve that? 3 upon 4 into, you can reverse the order. Finally it is 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 1 is 4. So it is 6 upon 4. So here both 6 and 2 can be divisible by common number, that is 2. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 2 is 4. So if you divide that, you have to use same number both upside and downside. So here it is nothing but 3 upon 2, because both the number are divisible by common number 2. So you can cut it by 2 and we will get 3 upon 2, and this is its answer. So in this way you can solve division process. And while solving this, we use the concept of reciprocal. So I hope friend you understood the introduction part, and this will be used in the exercise also. Thanks for watching. Thank you.